Bumper clot. Something just bit my leg. Something just bit my leg. Something just bit my leg.
I think there's shark out here, babe.
Yeah. It's island boy. Give thanks for your loving. You are the realest girl. Even without money, you're enjoying my world.
Okay guys, so here at Sunsan Beach. Gonna check it out and see how much they charge and see if we like it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Sites for sale. Look, lots of hotels.
Crazy.
Can we drive in here? Or?
I think someone's supposed to be here. Someone left their post.
Maybe he's down here somewhere. Okay.
Sand.
Wow.
Yeah, I know a music video that actually shot here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you.
When you say you love me, tell me don't leave it, nah, nah, nah. That I said that you should do. Holla, tell you what I want, yeah. Gotta, love me like you should, yeah. Love me like say you do.
Okay guys, so it's 800 Jamaican dollars for locals and 1,000 for, you know, for tourists. You know, so but honestly, first impression, I wasn't impressed with the beach.
Yeah.
You know, so.
And then he tried to upsell me a tour thing with the Blue Lagoon, mineral waters, and Monkey Island.
We don't really need that.
We don't really need that. I mean, you know.
I mean, I'd rather to go kayaking. I'd rather to rent a kayak and do that.
And do our
you know,
own
instead of even taking a boat ride, because that's something. Well, personally, I used to boat rides, you know, so, you know, but yeah, a kayaking is more exploring to me than even a boat ride.
Yeah.
Have more control.
And not just that, like we could always go and get, you know, a boat ride from Babe's friend.
Yeah.
Pay him $1,500-1,800 for a ride.
Or even for free. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, but yeah, that was it, guys. We never really came out the car or anything, you know, so. Yeah. Plus the water is a bit dirty because the sea been kind of rough and things.
Yeah,
so.
it's been rough.
Yeah. But that's gonna go back to, I would say Boston Beach. What do you think?
Boston? Do you want to go to Boston? Yeah.
Ooh, Jesus.
What?
Mosquito, that was sucking on you.
Nice.
Yeah, guys. So this is the famous Boston Jerk Center. You know what I mean? Yeah. Alright, now we are going up on the beach. And the beach is not far from where the jerk center is, you understand? It's just right here. Yeah. Right here.
Right here, which is going to be hard to turn.
Yeah. And it's what, $2 US?
Yeah.
$2 US or 200 Jamaican dollars. Yeah. And we here again. We there. People out there surf and thing already. So, yeah, that's what's up.
We're at Boston Beach, guys, again. This is probably one of our other favorite beaches. Did we say this is number 2 or 3? Number 2? Yeah. Frenchman's Cove, number 1. Yeah, so we got heaps of people down the beach, you know, chilling, relaxing, doing their ting-ting. Yeah, everybody's doing their thing, swimming, fishing, snorkeling. We didn't bring our snorkels. Is that going to be safe there? Baby's just setting up camera. So. What's up? Oh, hang on, wait. There's rocky rocks.
Ooh. Crazy, that hit my balls. Crazy. Ooh. Piece of stick. Oh my god.
Oh, no. Maybe pool table tonight?
Yeah?
You want to? What day is it? Thursday.
Thursday.
We're gonna leave it for tomorrow night.
Alright.
Up to you.
Yeah, tomorrow night sound better because we're gonna go with our next
that's
neighbors.
right. Our mother and father.
Yeah, you know.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
No, they seem really good. Like
Yeah, they're
to
pretty
get
cool.
that bond going, you know. Also, you know, we've been very lucky.
True.
You know, last time I was here, we got offered a free night with Cheryl.
True.
And then we got offered a free night here this time around. But
So,
we haven't really done much
people
promoting.
been good to us.
Yeah, people have been good to us, but we haven't
Except
done
the
much.
cops.
Oh, except the Popo! Popo!
Crazy story we have to tell you guys.
Oh yeah, we got to tell you. So basically, I admit when I'm wrong. I know when I've done something wrong. And this time around, yes, I did the wrong thing. But everybody here does it. Everybody seems to overtake on not undivided roads. I was one of those people where I did it and I didn't realise the police were like 400 metres down the road pulling people over.
Yeah.
And what do you know? I get pulled over.
Yeah.
And they want to cop me with a $15,000 ticket.
Tell you.
15,000. Mind you, we were going to Mobay
All the way to Mobile.
to pick up
Yeah.
Babe's charger and
camera battery.
battery.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we would have had to have bought a whole new charger and battery.
For real.
Here I am giving them the sad story about what happened and why we're in Mobay.
Yeah.
Because the reason why we were there. And they asked me when I was leaving the country, and I said I'm actually leaving in 6 days' time.
And the guy laughed.
The guy laughed.
Yeah.
Because
the
there was
cop.
two. There was a constable, and I don't know what you'd call the other guy, whether he'd be a
I don't know. What is small?
sergeant, maybe?
I don't know.
Something.
Yeah.
But he was a police officer
Yeah.
as well. And he was laughing, actually, because I'm like, why is this guy pulling her over? Knowing she's leaving the country in 6 days, I could give her a fine for what?
Crazy.
So I ended up getting I'll leave it to Dave to explain.
Yeah,
the rest.
well, basically you ask the cop for a chance.
Yeah.
And then he said, basically a chance doesn't come like that. So you know what you have to do. And then he said, go back to the car. You know, so basically I know exactly what he meant when he said go back to the car, you know, and discuss it. You know, so I know right there he meant we have to give him, you know, our money. You know, so basically we gave him 5,000. You know what I mean? Because the ticket, you know, it's like $15,000 worth.
So we paid half of it.
Yeah, so yeah, works out pretty reasonable, I guess.
So the 3 tickets, what were they for again? Speeding,
and
overtaking. Not
seatbelt.
overtaking on an undivided road.
Yeah.
And seatbelts were I scratched that because seatbelts actually.
Yeah, I think he didn't realize or something like that.
Yeah, the constable said, I'm not sure about the seatbelts.
Yeah.
And then I think he knew, but no, we didn't even have our seatbelts on. But the thing is like, we come from Portland. Here, there's not really much road rules. Like, you don't wear seatbelts here in Portland. Oh my God, babe, I just stepped on a sea urchin.
What?
Ouch, camera. Yep. Ouch.
I think it's a wrap.
No, step there. It's come back to me. Something's coming to get me. Something's coming to get me, guys, and I'm freaking out. Oh, I stepped on something, guys. I stepped on something. Something in my foot. Did you feel it?
I feel the sticks, I feel the stones and all of that.
You don't feel sea urchin?
No.
You want to look at the bottom of my feet?
Well, we already moved from the spot. Oh, I put my foot on a stone.
On a stone?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. We better move out this way. Come this way. Pull me this way. Okay,
I'm about
so
teaching.
I should have only really, because I told them, look, 15,000 is a lot of money. I'm leaving the country in 6 days. I can't afford that.
For real.
I can't afford 15,000. Like, seriously? Huh? What do you think they are?
It's crazy.
But anyways, they let us off, but we had to give them some type of money, and I decided, well, hey, we'll just give them 5,000, even though it's a lot of money.
Corruption right in front of our face.
Yes.
You understand?
Right
so
in
we
front
experienced
of us.
that
We experienced
for the
it.
very first time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We experienced it, and probably don't really want to experience that ever again.
I tell you.
Because they make you feel so little.
Yeah.
They do, huh? They made me feel like this.
Yeah. But
they even laughed because they asked Babe if he had a license.
Yeah.
And Babe said, no, I don't have one yet. And they were like...
Yeah.
They were like...
Laughing.
Laughing. It's like...
Yeah.
Rude. Make us feel like scum.
But it was better than getting those tickets though.
Yeah.
Because we couldn't deal with that.
It was better than getting the tickets because you know what? I probably wouldn't even be allowed out of the country, and my mum will have to come to my rescue.
I tell you.
Mummy would have to have saved me from hell.
Crazy. Oh my God.
So.
We escaped that.
Which would have been a really good prank on my mum. I would have rang her and said, Mum, I'm like in a lot of trouble. I've got to pay this amount of money. Can you please send me some money?
Just imagine that.
And then we'll just go partying with it.
Yeah.
And she'll kill me, and then she'll be like, you owe me back big time. Me, I'm gonna go chase some waves.
Go ahead.
Ciao, ciao.
Adios.
Nos vemos.
Yeah. Chica de la isla.
So people, Tyrone, I'm telling them about you now. Tyrone has got some good things happening. He's got some music coming out. He's got some really good things happening. I'm gonna try to get back onto the merch side of things. Yeah, do some more promoting. Yeah, that's what I want to see happen for Babes. It's good. Oh, I can't stop yawning. Water makes me tired. He's so sexy. And now he's throwing things at me. I love you, baby. Just know that. And I'm coming back for you. My love. You are my love. Oh! I was drowned there. Love you, Daddy. So many rocks.
Huh?
There's rocks and there's rocks
everywhere.
Look at that sun on you.
I tell you.
Dang.
Glowing now.
Take him home and wrap him up
Just imagine that.
in a blanket.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Imagine.
Ow. I'm stepping on something sharp.
It's rock. Rock.
You see that? Just like that. Interconnecting souls.
Is it?
Is it?
Oh, should I capture that? Turn around. There's another big one coming. Another big one for the win.
Ready?
Another big one for the win. And here we go. Ooh. Oh my God. We're the only ones out here swimming?
Yeah, I think so.
Ooh, we don't care. So water.
Yeah.
Oh, look over there. Look over there. Capture that. Capture that.
Guys surfing. Doing their tang.
Yeah. Capture that.
That's it. but something just bit my leg. Something just bit my leg. Something just bit my leg.
I think there's shark out here, man. There's shark.
What are you cheeky for? How do you swim like that?
Oh.
I want to learn. So what are we going to eat for dinner?
Me no know, I'm pretty full.
I'm full too. Maybe mangoes. You moved closer to me, didn't you?
No, sir. It's the way it was moving me. It's a nice evening. The sun almost gone down. You see me? But it's still great.
So if you date my father, I'm gonna no.
What are you saying?
If you break my heart, I'm gonna date your father.
Bang, bang, bang. You gonna call me,
Mama.
I don't know. What a nice people.